Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into one of the classic software development model, the waterfall model. Let's start. Okay, the waterfall model is linear and sequential approach to the software development. It is called waterfall because the process flows. Okay, the process flows in one direction like a waterfall. Okay, like waterfall, like this. The process flows. The model is divided into distinct phases such as specific deliverables and milestones. So here are some main phases for the waterfall. The first one is requirement analysis. So in this phase, what we do? This is the initial phase. Okay, this is the initial phase where all the requirements of the projects are gathered and documented. Okay, it is crucial to get this right as it forms the fundamentals or foundation of the entire projects. If the requirement analysis is having some doubts or incorrect requirements, that may result of failure of the project. So this phase is important. Then the second is system design. Okay, the name tells itself that this phase we create a blueprint for the system based on the gathered requirements. It includes what it includes. It includes architectural design, data flow diagrams, and many more things. Okay, in the now the implementation phase. Now the actual code written based on the system design. Okay, first requirement gathering, then system design. Now actual code writing is start from the implementation phase. Developer works on building the software pieces by pieces. Like this is one piece of code they write, then this one piece of code another developer write, like this n number of multiple number of pieces developer writes. Okay, then integration and testing. Now system testing, or we can say integration and testing. Okay, after coding the software is integrated and tested to ensure it meets the requirement and functions correctly. Bugs and issues are identified and fixed during this phase. Okay, whatever the bugs defect found in the system testing, all those getting fixed. Okay, then the deployment phase start. Once the testing complete, okay, this testing phase complete, then deployment phase start. Software is deployed to the prod production environment, where it will be used by end user. Okay, this is available for end user in the system deployment phase. Okay, the final phase involves maintenance of the software. Okay, so the maintenance phase includes fixing any bugs that arises and making necessary improvement. Okay, now the waterfall model is straightforward and easy to understand. This is very straightforward, like requirement analysis, system design, implementation, system testing, system deployment, system maintenance. All these things are very straightforward to understand. However, it is important to note that it has some limitations. Okay, so now we will check what are limitations and what are pros and what are cons, we can say. Okay, so let's quickly summarize the pros and cons of the waterfall model. Okay, so pros are like clear and structured approach. Okay, clear and structured approach, easy to manage and track progress, suitable for small project with well defined requirements. Okay, but there are some cons also, like inflexible to changes, late detection of issue. At this stage, we found defects. This is very late, like a 1, 2, 3. After 3 phases, we found defect in the system testing. Not ideal for complex and dynamic project. Okay, these are our cons, and this is all about waterfall model. Yep. If you are new to the channel, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Jai Shivrai.